Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Frax. For the past several days, Frax is moving inside a quite long down channel. You can see that since after 6th of Feb 2024, it's moving inside this channel. Now, recently, we have tested the support of the channel here, and we have also tested this key support of $1.52, and now it is geared up and moving towards the resistance of this channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very massive downtrend line resistance as well. You can see that since the month of January 2022, the price line is getting rejected by this resistance again and again. And by the way, here we had a very strong support that the price line has broken down and formed this channel. And there was another very long-term uptrend line support as well. This one, you can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and stable touch points here as well. And after the breakdown, the price line again tried to break out this previous support of the resistance, but got rejected. And it is here. You can see that it is flipped into a resistance, and now the price line is again dropped down and still moving inside this channel. And we will analyze this resistance as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Frax that I shared on 14th of July, 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal butterfly move that Frax completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved up. First, it again dropped down into the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice reversal move. And this was almost 18% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Frax. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, Frax is moving inside this quite long down channel. And while moving inside this channel, the price line has broken down this very strong and long-term uptrend line support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support was coming from the month of June 2022, when we had a bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and now finally we have broken it down. Now after the breakdown, you can see that this previous uptrend line support is flipped into resistance. The price line tried to break out this resistance, but got rejected and again dropped down. Now, in order to finish this downtrend, a quite long downtrend, we need to break out this long-term resistance of this channel. You can see that for the past several days, since after 6th of Feb 2024, it is moving inside this channel. And first, we will need to break out the resistance of the channel somewhere here at $2.34. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, there will be a very high probability that we may see a very big reversal from here. And first, the price line will need to break out this very important resistance of $4. Then we will need to break out the previous uptrend line resistance that was previously breaking as support. That will be this time somewhere will be approximately at $5.60. And in case of breaking out these two major resistance levels, it can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. And the technical target for this breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel at $10. But in my opinion, if the price reaches there, then it can also try to break out this long-term resistance of $14.50 as well. That had been previously breaking as a support here, and now it can again work as a resistance. In fact, it worked as a resistance here, and again, it can work as a resistance for the price line once again. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.